Techno update. Subscribe now.
Chuwi High 12 Review. Design and build. It might have a super low price tag, but Chuwi hasn't skimped on the build materials. The High 12 has a tough grey, also available in gold, metal case with a large and high-resolution 12-in, 2160 by 1440 pixel, 216p 3:2 IPS display that is sharp and offers great colors and viewing angles. From the front the Chuwi looks good, although a tendency to attract fingerprints and various logos on the rear weaken the overall design. See all Windows tablet reviews. The Chuwi is large and heavy for a tablet, as you'd expect given the screen and battery specs, and the keyboard adds another 600 grams to the 852 grams package. It's still just as portable as most 12-in laptops, though, and shouldn't weigh you down too much when carried in a bag. Hardware and performance. Core specs for the Chuwi High 12 include a 5th generation Intel Cherry Trail 64-bit processor, the Intel Atom X5 Z8300, clocked at 1.44 GHz and able to boost to 1.84 GHz, 500 MHz Intel HD graphics Gen 8, 4 GB of dual RAM and 64 GB of flash storage, plus 128 GB via microSD. In testing the Chuwi I passed it over to my partner who runs a building firm, and would normally use a combination of a mid-range Windows 10 laptop and an iPad Air 2 to write quotes, check drawings, manage accounts and such like. In his opinion the Chuwi is much better suited to the task than either his laptop or his iPad, portable and plenty fast enough for use with basic productivity tasks, and the long battery life is a killer feature. The only time he saw any signs of lag was when he had several apps open at once. The Chuwi gave a better showing in Geekbench 3 and in 2.2. It recorded 792 points in Geekbench 3 single-core and 2,309 points in the multi-core component, then 75,055 points in 2.2. For a cheap tablet these scores aren't bad, although compared to the Windows competition they look low. The Asus laptop managed 1,906 and 3,981 points respectively in Geekbench's single and multi-core tests, while Asus tablet was capable of 948 and 3,095 points. The Acer Aspire Switch 11 turned in 2,208 points single-core and 3,975 points multi-core. An entry-level Surface Pro 4 with a Core M3 6Y30 processor is capable of around 2,495 single-core and 4,811 multi-core according to the Geekbench database. Also see, Best Tablets 2016. Battery life is outstanding, and the 11,000 mAh cell should last all day and then some. It's quick to charge, too, able to accept a 3A input. We found it took around 8 hours to refill the battery with a fast charger. We had an issue with the built-in microphone not being recognized by the tablet, but this was solved by uninstalling the Intel audio driver and rebooting the Chuwi.